Alright guys, hello! So we are now driving. Papunta muna ako sa Doc Chico, papaswab tayo. We will fly to Davao and then I'll visit the branch there in Davao. So pick up 1901, ferry back home to Plaridel. Along the way, I'll also visit the branches. So okay, so see you later guys.
Few words from our sponsors for today's video. Do you have a growing water station business? Check out Blue City's Facebook page and see the services they offer for water refilling station businesses. Blue City offers supplies and equipment for your water station business at the most affordable prices without compromised quality.
Alright, hi guys! Welcome to Davao.
Dito na naman.
Dito na naman tayo.
Kailan ba ako huli mo dito? Tagal-tagal.
Hindi, last year.
Last year ba?
Oo, diba na sa airport? Hindi, 2 years ago sa airport pala. Diba na nagpunta tayo dito sir?
Oo.
Pero Mati, last year.
Oo.
Okay, hi guys. So, nandito ngayon tayo nakapila sa arrival area. Sina-check kung nagpalinis kami ng ilong sa Manila. Ito na pala ang arrival ngayon. First time namin dumating sa Davao Airport actually.
Na-COVID.
During the pandemic.
Buhay ba naman yun? Nakalagay, ano yan? Ingen.
Dinosaur yan. Dinosaur yan, bro. Dinosaur. Alright guys, so check-in tayo dito sa Park in Radisson. We got it for a cheaper rate, which is just beside SM Lanang. We'll stay for the night. I will visit the branch here of our family business sa Davao. Ayun guys, so if you notice, usually once or twice a month na lang nakakalipad. Malaking responsibility na iwan sa amin ng father namin. Sinasabay ko na lang when I have opportunity to fly to the branches, no? Yung flying. So that's how I maximize my flying. So basically, for the past 3 months ganun ginagawa namin. Flew with Emil. We went to Bacolod, Dumaguete. So, kamusta ang first day corporate pilot?
First day? I like working for Bluewaters. I love my boss. Look at the place.
Yeah.
It's rolling style. He doesn't billet me in some shitty place.
Yeah. Ayan na. Alright. Bag rate. Oh, see, may... Oh, wow. Nice. So, this is our room. Welcome to our room. Nice. So guys, welcome to Dumaguete. That's Madu. Yeah, so this is the boulevard of Dumaguete. Yesterday we landed. And now we're gonna eat breakfast with Madu. Yeah. Alright, let's do a quick intro. Hi guys, I'm with Captain Royhle, right?
Yes.
Yes.
What's up?
We're climbing to the office of Royhle. So we're gonna check out their school. Yeah, so
Welcome.
invite them.
Yes, anybody who comes over, please come visit us.
Yes.
We're always welcoming anyone.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Wow. So,
It just looks like exactly like the
exactly like the one in Gahap, buddy. Yeah. No questions, yeah. They have a lot of terminals inside. Galing, guys. Galing. Yeah. So the CAP examiner has to be here.
Yeah, they
conduct.
In fact, they were here 2 weeks back.
Oh, really?
Here for 1 week.
Wow.
We did, I think, 450 exams.
Wow, that's a lot of exams. So that's PPL, PPL,
Yeah.
and then MEX can also do their exams here, right?
AMT.
MP.
And also students come from Bacolod and other places.
And then I flew with JP. Also, we went to Tacloban and Bacolod. We visited the branches there. Ayun guys, so nandito kami ni JP.
Welcome to Wasig.
Welcome to Wasig.
It's the grass runway.
Hindi pa kami natuloy ng Bacolod, but we are here in a very special place. Ang ganda. It's by the beach. Diba?
Mindoro kami ngayon guys. Wasig, Mindoro. So ito yung resort. Mga footprints. No? So napakagandang resort guys. And the airplane is just here. Let me show you where the airplanes are. It's within a few minutes walking distance. No? It's a very long runway, 1 kilometer runway, almost 1 kilometer. So guys, so we are now en route to Bacolod. So hindi na namin na video yung landing kasi we were so busy. Nandito rin sila Captain John G. Sumunod. Napakaganda talaga ng lugar. Should visit. Hi sir! Patang mapakalo natin. Patok sir! Ayun si ayun si JP. Prepare na kami umalis.
Alis na kami ng Wasig.
Wasig. Yeah, so we'll see you guys back in the cockpit. Prepare lang kami. So, see ya.
Ngayon, check muna natin yung room. Akit tayo sa taas.
Ang dalang prototype which I will show to the branch. This will be a new and exciting product. Say hi, Emil. Anong floor po kayo, sir?
Ha? Penthouse?
Penthouse.
Oo.
Presidential suite, sir.
Presidential suite.
Sige pa.
Good daw.
Feel good. We'll see kung maganda yung mga rooms nila. Velociraptor na dito. Gusto mo makatakas. Maalag yung Velociraptor.
Nakikita niyo ba to?
Yan.
Sa mga nakakaalam, may Velociraptor dito sa
Then guys, dito tayo sa Davao. May meeting ako mamaya with the branch manager ng office namin. And then tomorrow, lilipad kami ni Pudgyplane. Sa ferry na namin yung isang Cessna 172K. Basta tayo pupunta ngayon sir. Dito tayo sa van. Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan tayo pupunta? Siyempre sa Seda.
Alright guys. So dito tayo ngayon sa Seda. First tayo. With Pudgyplane. Natin ko na almusal niya. Good choices. Ay, lugaw. Sorted bread. Kaya, pwede magpa-omelette? Yes, sir. Sige, omelette ako.
You have this, sir. Tobacco lang.
Sige. So guys, dito na si meal. Full plate pork and beans. O yun yun. Bacon? Wow. Alright guys, so this is the fun part, flying back the airplane. We're here at Fiesta Hangar. Samahan nyo ako inspect ng logbook ng airplane. So, nandun yung mga logbook. Nandun log, aircraft log, nandito. Yan.
A few inches later.
Yan.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay.
Clear right.
Right is clear. Thank you.
RPC 1901, taxi to Old Ramp.
Taxi to Old Ramp 1901.
Good.
Hi sir.
On your left. Hello.
Hi. Baron.
Yeah. Safe flight.
Thank you sir. Safe flight then.
Yes, say hi to John.
Yes sir, will do sir. Alright guys, we're heading to Mati. We're lining up runway 05 Davao.
Tower 1901 request intersection departure Alpha 3.
Request approved. After 180, wind 0308 knots, runway 05, clear for takeoff.
Bye-bye, Davao.
Alright.
Okay, pag-turn mo. Pag ganun.
So 030, wind is coming from the left. Ready?
Ready? Okay. 3310 miles south, frequency, good day, ma'am.
Yeah, take it in.
Airspeed alive.
Ano yun?
Hindi, may kumakalog lang sa likod. No.
Airspeed sa live check. 51, 55, rotate.
Okay. Ba Mati? One control yun, di ba? 1219.
1200.
120.
May interference sila kaya 1200 yan eh. Ayun yung ligid ako.
Ligid Dako? Ano ba Dako Island?
Dako, bigger.
Tower 1901 over ligid.
RPC 1901, you may leave tower frequency, good day.
Breathing frequency, good day, man.
Touch and go tayo, Mil.
Ha?
Touch and go tayo bago mag-shutdown.
Saan?
Mati.
Sige. Sabi na hindi ko na-on yung 360. Kakain.
20 minutes later.
Pare, wala akong pressure sa left brake. Buka ka mga.
Wala akong bagsak.
Bagsak yung pressure, no? Yeah. Ay, ganito. Alright, Jackson. And
Hey kami.
we're back on the ground.
Nakarating na kami ng Mati.
Oo. Dinadrive tayo nila Kevin. Saka ni Captain Nigel. Cap Nigel, hi ka muna. There's Kevin. There's Pudgyplane. Alright guys, dito tayo sa Mati, kakape. Nasa Dahican Beach tayo ngayon guys. So nag-lunch lang kami to here and some coffee, and then we're gonna head back to SECDEA. Kasama natin yung ibang students ng SECDEA. Ayan si Ella. Plus sila Kevin. Ito tayo sa mga vendors ng fruit.
Mangosteen.
I'll go for the pomelo though. Bili tayo ng pasalubong for my mom and the partner natin, and Pudgyplane will buy for his lovely wife. How much for the mangoes? Magkano yung mangoes?
100 per kilo.
Okay, wow. Ano Brad, sawi?
Ha?
Sawi. Puro mangga lang kaya natin eh, no? So, yan.
Lang, oh.
Puro mangga kaya namin eh.
Paano mo matamis?
Mukhang matamis na mabango na. Patingin. So, Kate, sorry. Walang mangosteen at pomelo. Hindi ka talaga sinaswerte ngayon sa prutas.
Chat ka na naman.
Pare,
Lagi mo na nga siya binabump off sa flight eh.
Oo.
Yari ka na naman, di mo padala yung prutas.
pare, huwag ka na magpakita sa asawa mo. Alright guys, so ayan, nakabihisa tayo. Nakapark na tayo dito sa SECDEA Aviation. We ferry the plane here muna para makita ni Emil yung son niya. See you in the next episode. For the second leg, from Mati we'll go to Butuan, and then from Butuan we'll go to Bacolod. So I'll meet my branch manager there. So ayan, sige, see ya!